Hi everyone, I'm Sheryl Maciel with the Woolcott Team. I'm a listing agent with the team and I'm also an accredited senior agent. Today I want to talk to you about getting an elderly parent's home ready to sell. No matter the reason for selling, this is always a very emotionally fraught time, and I want to share some tips to make it a little bit easier for everybody. First off, patience is key. When someone chooses to move out of their family home and when they're older, it is usually a very emotional time for them. For the elderly family member, it may be a very difficult time to give up their mobility and independence and all of the memories that they have in this home. Give them the time that they need to decide on their next move. If they need to look at old photos and reminisce, allowing them to do so in their own time will make the process easier for all. Discussing the various options for their next move is also key. Once the decision has been made to sell, look for an agent who is an accredited senior agent, as it can be a very sensitive time for all parties involved. A realtor will be a non-biased third party to help you make logical decisions and will provide the resources and support needed. The third step is to determine the asking price. Your real estate agent will share comparables and sales to help determine what the home should be listed for. This will also help you and your parents determine if their future plans are affordable. Fourth is actually getting the home ready for sale. Look for any visual deficiencies in the home and get them fixed. This can include some painting, steam cleaning carpets, and giving the home a very deep clean. This is not the time to be doing renovations. Decluttering and removing personal effects, such as family photos, is an integral part for making it easy for potential buyers to visualize themselves in this space. Finally, work with a team that incorporates staging into their process, as it will help modernize the home and get it photo ready. The last step is putting the home on MLS and marketing it for sale. There will be many people coming in and out of the home for showings, which can be emotional and exhausting for seniors. I always talk with the family and the homeowners to discuss the various options to deal with showings, such as having them move in with a family member while their home is up for sale. We want to make it as easy and stress-free for them as possible. If you'd like to have more information on helping your parents or an elderly family member get their home ready for sale, please call us at 905-332-9223.